Exceptional customer service begins the moment a request is received. When support representatives spend less time searching for information, they can focus on what matters most, resolving customer issues quickly and effectively. Microsoft 365 Copilot in Dynamics 365 Customer Service brings conversations, organizational knowledge, and business data together in one workspace, helping service teams work more efficiently with AI-powered assistance. Integrated directly into the application, Service Agent helps representatives prioritize their workload from the start. With a simple prompt, customer cases are automatically organized into a clear, sortable list, making it easy to identify the most urgent requests, current progress, and recent customer interactions, allowing representatives to understand the situation without reviewing lengthy histories. As work continues, case information is updated automatically within Dynamics 365. Service Agent also retrieves relevant guidance by searching across Dynamics 365 internal knowledge bases and Microsoft 365 resources, including SharePoint documents. Using this context, it drafts accurate customer responses that representatives can quickly review and send. Routine tasks such as updating service records, adding case notes, and creating related cases are handled automatically while preserving complete context, ensuring smooth collaboration across support teams. By reducing manual effort throughout the support journey, Microsoft 365 Copilot with Service Agent enables faster resolutions, improves agent productivity, and delivers a better customer experience. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel. There are many more videos ahead about Microsoft technologies and how they can help your business. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.